Hello everyone. In this tutorial, we are going to watch how to download and install Discord on your Windows PC. First of all, open your browser and write discord.com and press enter. Then click on download for Windows button. The downloading will be started. As it is a 65 MB app, so it might take little bit of time for downloading. For this video purpose, I have already completed the download. In your downloads folder, you will be able to see Discord setup exe file. Double click on it. After 1 or 2 seconds, the installation will be completed and you will be able to see a screen like this. If you already have a Discord account, just put your email and password and click on login. Otherwise, just click on register. Give an email, a unique username, password and your date of birth and press continue. With the email and password, you can log in and use Discord. So that was the process of downloading and installing Discord on your Windows setup. So thank you.